Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a location on Vinted. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to vinted.com. Now, once you're in here, just make sure to log in right here at the top right. Now, once logged in, just click on the drop down right here beside your profile. Click on it. Now, in here, just go ahead over to settings. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, under profile details, you'll see your photo, about you, and your location. You can just go ahead and click on the drop down right here to change your location. For example, here, I'm going to go ahead and choose maybe Italy right here, a town and city. Again, just click on the drop down. All right. It could be here in Modena. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it may seem that you have changed it, but there's one last crucial step that you have to do. Just click on update profile right here. Now, as you can see in the languages section, if you want to choose Italiano or Italian language, just go ahead and keep that as is. Now, if you want to change it back to English and still your location is in Italy, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and hit on English. All right. Once done, again, just hit on update profile and you're good to go. That's basically how you change location on Vinted. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.